In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can reset your forgotten password in Windows. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Now once your command prompt will be opened with administrative rights, type net space user, hit enter. Then type net space user space. Then use the username under default account. Type tech user. That's under the default account. Space and then the asterisk or star symbol on keyboard. Hit enter. Hit enter again and hit enter again. Now the command completed successfully. Type exit. Hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.